Okay, got a Cardale wafer lock here out of the door, garage door. It's not a €0.5 version, it's just a bog standard wafer cylinder, quite low security. What I'm going to be doing is self-impressioning it, using a method where it automatically finds its own height on the wafers in relation to the key. Be using a steel blank here and just a standard file. The idea is that we take off a fair amount of metal off one side using the knife edge method. It's important to make it very, very thin so that it finds its own height in self-impressioning. So it's very, very steep, the angle. It's not far off horizontal, to be honest, and preparation takes a bit longer than it normally would with a standard impression of a cylinder lock. Concentrating more on the tip and the part near the shoulder there. Taking it down to about midway all the way along. And you have to be careful not to take anything off the height or nothing of consequence really. Just keep filing away until it's fairly uniform all the way along. Remembering to keep the angle about 30 degrees. We're not really concerned about finish on this one because we're not really looking for any marks. Forgot to show that this was actually locked. It's all locked up. So just a little bit more off the top. Nice and sharp. So we're ready to try our key. There you go. Open. Just to show that it's locked. And open. Locked. And that's the key. There's hardly anything off it really, but it works. All that you'd need to do now would be just to tidy it up a little bit with a round file. Take a very small amount off because the metal's very thin. And once you've got a working key, just copy it in the key cutting machine. Thanks a lot.